Good day, students. Today, I'm going to discuss with you on how to use Facebook Social Learning Group that we are going to use in the school year 2021 to 2022. I know many of you already learn and familiar with this platform, but I also know that some of you are still struggling on how to use this, especially when submitting assignments and collecting instructional materials. Now, I will show you on how you are going to navigate the tools in the platform so that you will be able to get updated in our lessons. I am Mrs. Perez-Bendijo, your teacher in Technology and Livelihood Education for grade 8. How to use Facebook Social Learning Group. What is Facebook Social Learning Group? It is a social network that supports social learning in a more integrated, responsive, and fully interactive way. A social learning group is like a regular group, except admins can organize posts into guides and change the order in which they appear. Group members can click "I'm done" to let the admin know they are interacted with the guide. And admins can view group insights and see details on guide and post completion. This Facebook group is intended as a communication and discussion tool and as a means for collecting soft copies for modules, assignments, and video lessons. All the members of this group can access all the instructional materials provided by the admin or the teacher in charge. This is how our FB group look. I hope all of you already joined. And these are the tools or sections that you have to look at frequently. Let us discuss one by one. First, discussion. This is where you will see all the posts made by the teacher. You may leave a comment in each post if you have something to ask or clarify. Only the admin or the teacher can post to the group, and students can only comment. This is how this FB group was set. Next, guides. This is where the admin or teacher organize posts so that students can easily look for the certain materials per week. Next, topics. Aside from guides, it will also help the students find the materials or the certain topics. The admin or teacher will include a hashtag in her post for a certain topic and it will be registered in this section. Example, the students are looking for a copy of self-learning module. Then the students will go to the topic section and he or she will look for a hashtag TLE module. Then they will find easily what they are looking for. Next, members. In this section, you will see all the members of the group. Next, events. This is where you will be notified on the events made by the teacher. It could be an online meeting or a Facebook Live. All the members will be notified and opt to join or decline. Next, media. This is where you will see all the images and videos uploaded in the group. Then, files. In this section, you can find all the uploaded documents in PDF or Microsoft Office format. It ends my tutorial for today. I hope you have learned a lot and enjoy using this Facebook group as our online platform for this school year. I am encouraging everyone to visit our FB group frequently so that you'll get updated in our lesson. And if you have some questions or clarifications regarding our class, don't hesitate to send me a private message. God bless students in your journey this school year 2021-2022. Thanks for watching.